going to be very interesting. I am going to share you information about University of Manitoba. Before starting the video, I am your friend and mentor Bhavik Sitpura, exploring world and different university for you all. Now friends, when it comes to University of Manitoba, this is a public university. This university was established in 1877. When it comes to this university has varieties of faculties. Yes, you name the faculties and it is available. Faculties like art, food science, architecture, engineering, medicine, pharmacy, business management, all these faculties are available. This universities provide bachelor's, master's and PhD program. Yes, the best part about this university is if you fulfill the criteria of admission, you are going to get the admission. There is no limited seat in this. If you fulfill, now when it comes to fulfillment of the criteria, let me tell you what kind of criteria should be. So education criteria and IELTS criteria, these are the two major criteria we have to fulfill. One is you should be 12th grade pass. Second criteria is your IELTS quotient. Now apart from IELTS, this university do accept TOEFL as well. So these are two major criteria, and I would strongly recommend when it comes to public university, University of Manitoba, this university, to get admission you should score more than 60%. And second criteria is of IELTS, where you should score overall 6 band, not less than 6. If you are scoring this, there are very high chances to get the admission in the faculty or the course you are looking for. As in first step overseas, we can help you to get admission in this university no matter from which part of the world you are. Yes, you can contact us on the given number which I have shared on the screen and the description as well. Now when it comes to this university, just 1 minute. When it comes to this university, the date from when it was started till now, there are 20,000 doctors, nurses and pharmaceutical students they have cleared from this university. Yes, this is a very famous and popular university. Till now, 1,28,000 students has passed from this university. Currently in this university, there are more than 31,000 students studying in this university. This university is very famous for bachelor's course as well, where more than 25,000 students are studying in this university. And when it comes to PG level courses, there are more than 3,000 students studying in this university. The criteria is very simple, but there should be a very strong SOP, and how you are presenting it, that is very important. As in first step overseas, we have expertise and lot of students have got admission in particular this university. So if you want to study in a public university, there are chances of getting scholarship as well. When it comes to tuition fees, this university is having very nominal tuition fees. From 18,000 it can go to 30,000 Canadian dollars. Yes. So if you are looking to get admission, please don't forget to call First Step Overseas, because we have a very large experience and can help you to get admission in your dream university. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of video. Your friend and mentor Bhavik.